Most people understand that they need probiotics for a healthy gut. Did you know that you need probiotics for your mouth for healthy gums as well? An overgrowth of bad bacteria and poor oral hygiene can lead to dental cavities and gum disease, and has also been linked to heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. How do oral probiotics help? Inside of our bodies, we have good bacteria and bad bacteria. The bad bacteria is what makes us sick. The good bacteria, probiotics, are what keep us healthy. Your mouth and your gums are connected to every single organ in your body. In fact, every tooth has a pathway directly to an organ. So if your gums become diseased and unhealthy, the rest of your body will follow suit as well. When your mouth has a balanced bacterial flora, your entire body thrives. I actually found an oral probiotic that I want to share with you guys. ProDentim is an oral probiotic that's backed by clinical trials and science. With 3.5 billion probiotics specifically meant for the mouth, this is the best choice on the market. They're GMO-free, 100% natural, and they offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. I've started taking ProDentim and I've noticed that I'm way less drowsy throughout the day. My breath smells better, I have more energy in general, and I've noticed less brain fog as well. Over to my TikTok profile and click right there. If that isn't showing up for whatever reason, you can just take that address and put it into your browser. That'll take you over to this landing page and you can click right here where it says ProDentim Oral Probiotics. This will take you over to their official website. You can grab a few bottles for yourself. There's a ton of amazing reviews about this stuff online and I can attest that it's been great. I highly suggest you head over to their website to learn more about these oral probiotics. Let me know in the comments if you had any bad oral health or hygiene experiences. Also make sure you like this video and follow me for more. It's time to wake up. Stay blessed.